Hey everybody, it's Coach Rod Freeman, Coordinator 1 at LH Williams. I know that it's been a long time since y'all saw us and y'all been cooped up in the house doing nothing. So today I'm gonna teach y'all how to make a hacky sack / stress ball so you either squeeze it or play with it at the house and have something to do. The items you'll need to make the stress ball / hacky sack are rice, an empty bottle of water, 3 balloons, some sharp scissors, a piece of paper. First thing we gotta do is make a funnel. I'm gonna teach you how to make the funnel first so it can make pouring the rice into the bottle easier. So you take the piece of paper, go a long ways, and overlap it. And then you use your hand and turn this slightly, maybe like a quarter turn or a half turn. And see how it's getting smaller at the bottom? That's what you want. So that it's small in the bottom, or just where it can fit in the bottle, and you got plenty of room to pour on the top. That's how you make the funnel. All right, now that I taught you how to make a funnel, now we're gonna pour the rice into the bottle. So we're gonna remove the top off the bottle. Just move it off to the side because we're not gonna need the top anymore, unless of course you wanna put the top back on. So we go back, remember I showed you how to make a funnel. You gotta make it small enough where it fits inside the bottle, like so. And you take the rice. Now, you can still use a plastic, the plastic bag of rice or the straw one. We just want to pour it in there until we get about halfway. Okay, now that we got the rice in the bottle, we need to fill this balloon with rice. Now, I know a lot of you guys are wondering how we're gonna do that. It's real simple science. See, what happens is, you gotta take the top of the balloon and we're gonna put it over, put it over the lid. Ooh, messing up right now. Yeah, you might mess up a couple times, but we want it completely over the lip of the bottle. Now, what you do is you turn it upside down. Now, the reason why we have it halfway full like this, half full, is you have to squeeze the bottle. You squeeze the bottle and release. Squeeze and release. And now all the rice is in there. Now after that, you take the balloon off and you have to tie a knot in the balloon. So stretch it out, wrap it around 2 fingers, pinch it with your thumb, grab from the middle, and slide it through and make the knot. Now you have a knot. All right, so we've already filled up 1 balloon with half a bottle of rice. Now we gotta put layers on the balloon with rice to strengthen it. So the way we do this is you take 2 more balloons. You can do up to 3 or 4 balloons, but 2 is all you really need, unless you really want a thick balloon. So you take the balloon and you gotta cut specifically where it gets heavy at. So see how it's skinny right here? You wanna cut right where the skinny part meets. And it opens up a little bit. See how wide I can make it now? That's what you want. So we're gonna cut this one, and then we're gonna, once again, get the same spot. You wanna cut right in that little ridge where the balloon starts to expand at. And then you want to just open the balloon up a little bit just so it can get the room out. So you should have an opening like this on the balloon. And you can easily go inside it and open it up. All right, now the last part of our project, all we gotta do is you take one balloon. I'm gonna do blue first so you can see the yellow last. So it's a real bright color, but you can really do the balloons in any order you like. If you want to go to Walmart and go buy the fancy balloons, you can use them, but they still got to be at least a 12-inch balloon. You can do it with an 8, but 12 inches better. You take the balloon from the inside, stretch it all the way out, and you're gonna put it over the balloon. See how easy it goes over? And it goes over once. The more balloons you put over, the thicker it'll be. Like I said before, I only use 3. I have done it with 5 when I do it with smaller kids, just so they don't break as easy. And you take the last color, the yellow color, and you put it over the other side. There's always gonna be that hole there from when you cut it. You can tape it, you can cover it up with something, but I normally don't. And now you have a stress ball that you can squeeze. Squeeze it as hard as you can. All right, so now that we made the ball, a couple of things you can do with it is you can exercise your hands. So people that just need to relax and get a grip on it, help release tension in the hand and the joints. It relaxes muscle tension. You know, if you want to use it as a hacky sack, you can, dribble it around, catch it, and do some of things like in a soft area. Don't do it in the house. I don't advise that at all. But I'm glad y'all made one. If you have any questions or anything y'all might want us to do, let us know in the comments. Have a good one. We love y'all.